Global warming and ever-rising energy costs make saving energy an important priority. But today's modern homes use more energy than ever before. So how do we maintain our comfortable lifestyle and still keep our electricity bills low? Now, there's Panasonic's intelligent inverter air conditioner. Compared with non-inverter models, it provides maximum 50% energy savings when cooling and maximum 64% energy savings when heating. Let's find out how it can save you so much energy. Non-inverter air conditioners operate at a fixed power output. The temperature is controlled by switching the power on and off. Every time the power comes on, the air conditioner draws more power, consuming more electricity. By contrast, an intelligent inverter air conditioner maintains the room temperature by continually varying its power output. By doing this with precision, it uses minimum power, hence saving a lot of energy.